Welcome. Today, I'll show you a quick and easy way to unarchive a channel on the Telegram app for PC using the latest update. First, launch the Telegram app on your PC by simply opening it from your desktop or Start menu. Once you're in the app, look to the side menu and click on Archive Chats. This section holds all your channels and chats that you have archived previously, keeping your main chat list clean and organized. Now, scroll through the archive chats to find the specific channel you want to unarchive. When you locate it, right-click on that channel. A context menu will appear, and from there, select Unarchive. This action will immediately move the channel back to your main chat list where you can access it easily without having to search for it again. That's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you can quickly restore any archived channel on your Telegram desktop app and keep your chats managed just the way you like. Whether you archived a channel by mistake or just want to revisit an important group, unarchiving is just a few clicks away. Thanks for watching, and enjoy staying connected on Telegram.